Awning Windows Washington, D.C. deliver ventilation window solutions, durable window upgrades, and home improvement windows for row homes, townhouses, condos, and classic residences across the city. Residential awning windows are ideal for tight urban spaces because top-hung awning windows open outward from the bottom, helping with airflow even during light rain. For property owners seeking awning window replacement Washington, D.C., energy-efficient awning windows Washington, D.C., and weatherproof awning windows Washington, D.C., the right replacement window contractor can improve comfort, curb appeal, and resale value. From Capitol Hill to DuPont Circle, modern awning windows and custom awning windows support better insulation, sealed window units, and long-lasting performance in demanding climates. Awning window installation is a smart option for homeowners needing residential awning window installation Washington, D.C., especially when replacing aging frames, drafts, or outdated glass. Licensed window installers Washington, D.C. can recommend insulated awning windows, low-E glass awning windows, and double-pane awning windows or triple-pane awning windows for greater thermal control. A trusted Washington, D.C. window replacement contractor can also provide window frame replacement in Washington, D.C., new construction windows, and casement and awning windows for remodeling projects. Whether the goal is energy savings or a sleek update, home window replacement services can be tailored to D.C. home window upgrade specialist standards for lasting value and dependable results. Awning windows. Washington, D.C. installation and residential glass replacement Washington, D.C. can restore function without requiring a full system swap, especially for older properties. Many owners of replacement windows for D.C. row homes need skilled attention for fog-sealed window units, cracked panes, warped frames, and sticking hardware. A local window replacement company Washington, D.C. can evaluate whether awning window installation, residential glass replacement, or full window frame replacement is the best path. In many cases, awning windows in Washington, D.C. benefit from aluminum awning windows, vinyl awning windows, or low-E awning windows Washington, D.C. to reduce maintenance while improving energy performance and weather resistance. Awning window installers in Northwest D.C. understand the needs of neighborhoods with varied architecture, from compact row houses to larger family homes. Custom awning windows. Washington, D.C. homes often require precise measurements, matching trim, and thoughtful material selection to preserve character while upgrading performance. A replacement window contractor can source modern awning windows, weatherproof awning windows, and insulated awning windows that align with local styles and efficiency goals. Homeowners searching for affordable window replacement in Washington, D.C. often compare vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and double-pane awning window replacement D.C. options to balance budget, durability, and long-term operating costs. Washington area properties near Georgetown, Capitol Hill, and DuPont Circle benefit from awning windows for Georgetown homes, window replacement for DuPont Circle residences, and window contractor near Capitol Hill, D.C. services designed around urban living. Residential awning windows help control airflow in compact rooms, kitchens, and bathrooms, while energy-efficient awning windows reduce temperature fluctuations through summer humidity and winter cold. Awning window experts in Ward 3 D.C. can recommend low-E glass awning windows, triple-pane awning windows, and sealed window units for improved comfort. For those comparing awning window replacement, home window replacement, and window replacement services Washington, D.C., the best solution usually combines performance, style, and code-conscious installation. Awning window replacement, residential awning window installation Washington, D.C., and awning window installation Washington, D.C. are often requested by homeowners seeking better performance without major renovation disruption. A Washington, D.C. window replacement contractor can inspect failing hinges, deteriorated seals, condensation issues, and frame damage before suggesting vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, or custom awning windows Washington, D.C. homes. In many cases, replacement windows for D.C. row homes need specialty sizing and careful flashing to protect masonry and interior finishes. With residential glass replacement, window frame replacement, and new construction windows available, homeowners can choose durable window upgrades that match both historic and contemporary property needs. Energy-efficient awning windows Washington, D.C. are among the most requested home improvement windows because they support year-round comfort and reduced energy waste. Low-E awning windows Washington, D.C. Double-pane awning windows and triple-pane awning windows help stabilize indoor temperatures while minimizing outside noise and UV exposure. For homeowners comparing awning windows Washington, D.C., weatherproof awning windows, and insulated awning windows, the value lies in stronger seals, better glazing, and lower maintenance over time. A replacement window contractor can also help determine whether casement and awning windows, top-hung awning windows, or sealed window units will provide the best ventilation window solutions for the property. Residential glass replacement Washington, D.C. and window frame replacement in Washington, D.C. are often the fastest path to improving damaged, drafty, or outdated units. If panes are cracked, fogged, or leaking air, awning window installation can restore usability and improve appearance without changing the home's architectural feel. For buyers considering home window replacement, durable window upgrades such as vinyl awning windows and aluminum awning windows can provide dependable performance with minimal upkeep. Licensed window installers. Washington, D.C. and D.C. home window upgrade specialists can assess structural fit, energy performance, and moisture protection before recommending the right upgrade. Awning windows in Washington, D.C. are especially effective for bathrooms, basements, kitchens, and upper story rooms where ventilation and weather protection matter most. The outward opening design of top-hung awning windows allows fresh air circulation while helping block rain, making them a practical choice for city homes and busy neighborhoods. Awning window experts in Ward 3 DC, awning window installers in Northwest DC, and a local window replacement company Washington, D.C. can all provide custom awning windows, low-E glass awning windows, and insulated awning windows tailored to the property. For homeowners seeking awning window replacement Washington, D.C., residential glass replacement Washington, D.C., or affordable window replacement in Washington, D.C., the right contractor can deliver lasting comfort and strong curb appeal. Awning windows Washington, D.C. are a smart choice for ventilation window solutions, weatherproof performance, and modern curb appeal. Homeowners looking for energy-efficient awning windows Washington, D.C. can upgrade to low-E awning windows Washington, D.C., double-pane awning window replacement D.C., triple-pane awning windows, insulated awning windows, and sealed window units that support year-round comfort. From Georgetown Homes to DuPont Circle Residences and replacement windows for DC row homes, these durable window upgrades improve insulation, reduce drafts, and elevate home improvement windows with long-lasting value. Residential awning window installation. Washington, D.C. is a strong fit for properties across Capitol Hill, D.C., Northwest D.C., and Ward 3 D.C., especially when handled by licensed window installers Washington, D.C. and a trusted Washington, D.C. window replacement contractor. Whether you need awning window installation, awning window replacement Washington, D.C., or full home window replacement, the right replacement window contractor can deliver custom awning windows Washington, D.C. homes, modern awning windows, and new construction windows designed for local architecture. For homeowners searching for awning window installers in Northwest D.C. or a local window replacement company Washington, D.C., precision installation matters for performance and appearance. Awning window installation Washington, D.C. and residential glass replacement Washington, D.C. are essential services for damaged frames, broken panes, and aging window systems. A skilled window contractor near Capitol Hill, D.C. can provide residential glass replacement, window frame replacement in Washington, D.C., and awning window installation Washington, D.C. with efficient turnaround and dependable workmanship. For older properties needing affordable window replacement in Washington, D.C., replacement windows for D.C. row homes, and D.C. home window upgrade specialists, timely installations and upgrades help maintain safety, efficiency, and property value without compromising style. Vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and weatherproof awning windows. Washington, D.C. give property owners flexible options for durability, design, and maintenance. Many homeowners prefer casement and awning windows for their combination of airflow and easy operation, while top-hung awning windows offer practical ventilation even during light rain. Whether you want awning windows for Georgetown homes, awning window replacement in Chevy Chase, D.C., or window replacement for DuPont Circle residences, selecting the right frame and glass package ensures better results for residential awning windows and home improvement windows. Window replacement services. Washington, D.C. should include energy-efficient awning windows. Washington, D.C. double-pane awning windows, low-E glass awning windows, and custom awning windows tailored to your home. From residential window installation in Washington, D.C. to awning window replacement, the right team can handle vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and insulated window upgrades with clean execution. Homeowners seeking awning windows in Washington, D.C., replacement windows for D.C. row homes, or awning window experts in Ward 3, D.C. can count on quality products, strong warranties, and dependable service for every project. Window replacement services. Washington, D.C. should include energy-efficient awning windows. Washington, D.C. double-pane awning windows, low-E glass awning windows, and custom awning windows tailored to your home. From residential window installation in Washington, D.C. to awning window replacement, the right team can handle vinyl awning windows, aluminum awning windows, and insulated window upgrades with clean execution. Homeowners seeking awning windows in Washington, D.C., replacement windows for D.C. row homes, or awning window experts in Ward 3, D.C. can count on quality products, strong warranties, and dependable service for every project, making awning windows Washington, D.C. a reliable investment for comfort, efficiency, and long-term value.